At 7:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Augusta, or 19 miles southeast of Eau Claire, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Augusta, Fairchild, and Lake Eau Claire County Park. This includes Interstate 94 in Wisconsin between mile markers 82 and 86. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Jack, you can read it. Why are you taking a picture?
Read that for Eau Claire, Wisconsin, 7:37. 7:37, we're clear. 7:40.
Where is it going? Down to the
Service in the Twin Cities issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southeastern Eau Claire County until 8:15 p.m. At 7:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Augusta, or 19 miles southeast of Eau Claire, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Augusta, Fairchild, and Lake Eau Claire County Park. This includes Interstate 94 in Wisconsin between mile markers 82 and 86. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
It looks like it stops right by the mover. And it's just a continuous stream. No. Wait.
Southeastern Eau Claire County will expire at 8:15 p.m. The storm which prompted the warning has moved out of the area. Therefore, the warning will be allowed to expire. However, gusty winds and heavy rain are still possible with this thunderstorm. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for west central Wisconsin. This is